Hey there, awesome kids! Welcome back to the most amazing channel on YouTube. Today, I have a super fun story that not only entertains but also teaches us a great lesson. It's about two birds. One is kind and the other is, well, not so kind. Are you ready to meet them? Let's dive right in. In a beautiful forest filled with tall trees and sparkling streams, there lived two birds. One was a cheerful bluebird named Benny. Benny was known all around for his kind heart and helping nature. Then there was a flashy red parrot named Polly. Polly loved to show off his bright feathers but wasn't very nice to others. Benny loved to help his friends. He would sing beautiful songs to cheer up anyone feeling sad. And he would share his food with the hungry. Benny's kindness made him loved by all the animals in the forest. Now, let's talk about Polly. Polly, with his bright red feathers, loved to flaunt his beauty. He would often make fun of other birds who didn't look as colorful as him. One day, 8,897 Polly saw Benny helping a little squirrel gather nuts. Polly flew down and started mocking Benny. "Why do you waste your time helping others, Benny? You're just a silly bluebird." But Benny just smiled and continued to help the squirrel, not letting Polly's words bother him. One day, a big storm hit the forest. The wind was howling, and the rain was pouring down. All the animals rushed to find shelter. Benny saw Polly struggling against the strong wind, trying to find a safe place. Despite how Polly had treated him, Benny flew over and guided Polly to a safe tree hole. Polly was surprised. "Why are you helping me after I was so mean to you?" he asked. Benny smiled and said, "Everyone deserves kindness, Polly." Polly felt ashamed of how he had behaved. He realized that being kind is much more important than showing off. From that day on, Polly decided to change his ways. Polly started helping other birds, just like Benny. He sang songs to cheer up the forest and shared his food with those in need. The other animals soon started to love Polly, just as they loved Benny, and so, Polly learned that kindness always wins over pride. Being nice to others makes you a true hero, just like Benny. Remember, kids, always be kind and helpful. It makes the world a better place for everyone. Thanks for joining us today. Friends, if you loved this story and want to hear more amazing tales, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. See you next time with another fun and exciting story. Bye-bye.